Hey drivers, YouTube's DOT physical expert Dr. Nuesse back again with another video. This one's going to be a little different than the videos I typically make. Usually I'm making videos here about the medical requirements, the health requirements, the drug testing requirements that are necessary to become a commercial or a CDL driver. In this one, I'm actually going to address an issue that has been a kind of a long-standing issue in the driver community, and that is the immense driver shortage. As of 2021, the driver shortage in the United States hit 80,000. So 80,000 drivers we are short in the United States. We need 80,000 more drivers to fill these jobs so that we don't have these transportation disruptions that we are currently experiencing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one company that is trying to resolve or do something about this driver shortage. In an upcoming video, I am going to talk about some reasons why this driver shortage is happening, but in this one I want to kind of shed some light on a company that's actually trying to do something about it, something positive, something that's great for drivers. So maybe you've heard about this, maybe you haven't. This is kind of new news. What is happening is Walmart, the company Walmart, they are starting to pay their drivers, their internal drivers, the drivers that work for Walmart, and these are over-the-road drivers, long-haul drivers, up to $110,000 per year. Now, that is the starting salary, and that is the upper end. So I think it's anything from like 90 to 110, maybe based on experience or a number of other different things, but up to $110,000 a year starting if you can come and work for Walmart as a over-the-road long-haul driver. And that's about double the average salary for an over-the-road driver. I think it's around $56,000 as of the article that I read. So Walmart's almost doubling that. So this is some really great news, a really big opportunity for some drivers if you have taken some time off. Maybe you want to search out Walmart because they are really putting their money where their mouth is. They want to recruit drivers. They want to do away with these disruptions as far as the supply chain, and they're doing something about it. So up to $110,000 if you go work for Walmart. So again, just a really quick video here. Stay subscribed if you want to hear the next video about some potential reasons why this driver disruption has been happening. Until next time, drivers, stay safe.